Hey my loves, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing amazing and I feel good, I feel blessed. Anyways, so today I'm gonna vlog my day because I have a wedding and I'm going with my sisters, and I was trying to curl my hair so I'm just gonna leave it like this. I did my own makeup, it's natural and it's in Nyanza, Kicukiro Nyanza, ariko sinzi ukuntu I'm gonna get there because I'm the one driving. So ndabanyuza i Butare, mbanyuze Rusizi, tubone iki Gicumbi, tugere hehe i Nyanza. Sinzi naho inzara imba zinashuka. So I'm just gonna grab something to eat as usual because it's it's gonna be a long day. Really is gonna be a long day. Kuko dufite dote tukajyana mariage umunsi umwe. So ugomba kujya kugira ngo ugire imbaraga zo gusekera abageni. Anyway, so I'll show you my outfit and the girls' outfit. Let me show you guys my outfit. Ibintu bikenyere mbare mu ndebe Yesu. Put this inside. Right? Better. The dress from Zoe. Ooh, 360.
Hi, my girls. Gotcha, I don't see you.
Bishe bananiwe bari kurya. How do you guys feel? How do you guys feel? So tired?